Hi and welcome to another video. We are London and Home Counties Safes, and if you're looking for a Brattonsound gun cabinet, shotgun cabinet, rifle cabinet, we are main dealers and we carry on our website londonsafes.co.uk every single product that Brattonsound produce. And with our service, it's free delivery and free installation, a certified installation, so we produce a certificate at the end of the job to show exactly how it was installed, that you can show that to your insurance company, or in this case your firearms officer if that's a requirement. It does say they're free delivery and free certified installation on all bolted safes. We include these gun cabinets in that classification. We cover all of the areas that you see there, so it's London and the home counties, and roughly it's a sort of 80-90 mile radius from our headquarters, which is in Hertfordshire, Hatfield in Hertfordshire. Have a look and see what people are saying about us on Trustpilot, and check us out online at londonsafes.co.uk. Any questions at all, give us a call, 0208 445 0001. We've also got a free phone number on the website. So when you're doing your price comparisons and you're looking at the different websites with the different prices, you'll see that they all offer different delivery and installation options, which are all in addition. So we may seem expensive on the surface, but when you dig down and look at the other websites and get your final price, you'll see that actually we're quite reasonable and competitive, because our service includes free delivery and free installation, and there's literally nothing else to pay. Whatever you see on the website, that price is all you're going to pay. You click and order it, and then we'll get in touch and we will arrange the delivery and installation for you.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.